welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so every time I post a new video, you can be the first person to know about it. I'll wait. But guys, I got my hair done. I got my nails done. I got my brows done. I got my lashes. I'm feeling like a person, okay? I got my toes done. I spent all day yesterday grooming myself because this pandemic has had me looking real crazy. So, you know, I want to start enjoying the summer. So I went and did everything yesterday. I got these Senegalese twists at the normal Africans I normally go to, but they did charge me an extra $50. I normally pay $220 and it was, no, I'm sorry. I normally pay $170 and I paid $220. Now I know sometimes it gets more expensive when it's like longer, but it shouldn't be that expensive. But yeah, I got my hair done. So I just got dressed. I'm about to meet the girls. We're having a little girls' night. Megan is cooking. So I'm going to just bring you along for the fun. Tune in. So look at the food that Megan made us. Say hi, Patricia. So she made us some mashed potatoes, shrimp, lamb chops, lobster, and asparagus. Can't wait to dig in. Hey guys, welcome back. So I didn't get too much footage at Megan's house. I just showed you guys the food and showed you Patricia. But yeah, it was a cute time. We had drinks, cocktail. The food was amazing. It was a really good time to hang out with my girls. But yeah, I groomed myself. I did my nails, my hair, my toes, my lashes, everything. I spent almost $400 grooming myself. Like, I don't want you to think this is what I normally do because I don't, but I felt like because it was like, it's been a while, you know, let me just do everything. I normally, like, if I'm gonna get like a hairstyle that's gonna cost me over $200, I normally try to keep it like quarterly, like every 3 months I'll get something fancy, or like if I'm going on a vacation. But I really just, I like to save money, so I don't really like spending a lot on like maintenance and stuff. But you know, I had to get it together because I've been looking a little rough. But other than that, I gotta start my shift soon. I'm working from home, so I gotta get to these calls, get to these emails, help these customers out. And then I think later I gotta go back to my old apartment and do like one last minute cleaning and get the rest of my stuff. And then we're gonna go to Target and I'm gonna make a Target haul. So look out for that next video. But other than that, I'm feeling good. How are you guys? This is gonna be a short vlog today because I just wanted to show you guys my hair and my nails. But other than that, I should be posting my next video either later tonight or tomorrow, depending on what time I get back and what time I finish. Cause I work till like 7:30, but I think I'm gonna cut my shift short today, but I have to see. But other than that, how are you guys? What's your guys' plans for the 4th? Anything fun coming up? Has anybody else groomed themselves and felt like they spent a little bit too much money? But this is the end of this vlog, so if you guys like it, just make sure you subscribe. I'll wait. Subscribe. And yeah, and guys, I hit over 500 subscribers today. So, well, not today. I hit over 500 subscribers like 2-3 days ago. But you know, my channel is actually starting to grow. So stick with your girl. All right. Bye, guys.